Hi students, in this period I am going to deal helping words and why I am telling to you helping words because in this year you are studying in first standards and you are going to learn many beautiful, meaningful stories, many beautiful poems, and in the stories, poems, there are many sentences, and you should able to read the story, poems independently and before learning of the text I am teaching or taking reading and writing practice of you. And then what is the importance of why I am taking here helping words? Because suppose there is a one poem in of your class in the English, little drops of what, little things and little drops of water and little grains of sand, or many stories are there. There always comes those words. So here I am taking those words. Now look, yum, eats, do, does, and so on. Here again I have written are the helping words, and those words always come in reading. For your further practice, I am taking those in the beginning. Now look, I am writing, he is reading, do you like tea, she does study. Always when you read the book with your parents, you will come to know helping words. They are compulsory in the sentences and you should able to read them independently. So we are here in this period practicing. Okay, now look, am, is, are, has, have, was, were, shall, will, could, would, had, does, did, may, can, must, might. Those are the is, are, has, have are the helping words, and they come. It means they are the compulsory elements. It means they always find in the sentences. They are the compulsory elements. So you should know them, and when you read them, your reading will be easier. And here now I will tell them how to use in sentences also. Again, now look, I am teaching to you, I am talking with you, I am looking outside. It comes always in the sentence. Is, he is reading now, she is coming expert now in English, she is talking now, she is singing now. Are, we are studying English grammar, they are playing on the ground. Has, she has come before some time, he has written a letter. Have, I have given a pen to him. Was, the king was traveling where they were living in forest. I shall come tomorrow. Will. He will go there in the next week. Could. I could write a letter. Would, like this. I would come. Had. Had. I had written a letter. Do you like tea? I do like take a tea. They do go to play. Does. She does homework regularly. He does go to school. Did. I did homework. They did homework. May I come in? May you come on time? I can do this. Must. You must come today. You must pass the exam. Might. They might come here. Like this. They often come in the sentences. So you try to read them in good handwriting. It means all those words after listening this video as a homework, you write them in good handwriting. Also try to say them in proper pronunciation. Okay.